Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. So we're doing another try on product from Dollar Tree. I did the other product, I do two of those products the last time. So today I'm gonna be doing finger coils on my hair, and I'm gonna be using these two products to wash and deep conditioner my hair. These are from Shea Solutions, made with organic shea butter. So I have the deep conditioner and co-wash and deep moisture shampoo. So these are the two products I will be trying today. Okay, so these two are gonna be trying today. And I don't know if you can remember a video that I did with this, with the shampoo and the curling cream. It came out really nice, you guys. So that's what is still on my hair. So it's been over a week now. Like I told you guys, once I do my hair, it stays for over a week. So now, as you can see, this is the result that you get after a week, and it still look good, but I just want some fresh and good look this weekend. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm having a lot of growth, you guys, a lot of growth. Hey Jesus, my hair is growing, man. Even though I'm still growing my edges, you guys, I used to be ashamed of my edges because I didn't have none, and being my edges are so thin. But now I don't give a F. I don't even care. So you know what I mean. So I don't even care, as long as my hair is lit and is on fire. I really don't care. Okay guys, so that's what we are going to be doing today. Like I said, my hair has grown. It's growing. It's good, and the curls are still popping, y'all. Oh my god. Yo, this is the stuff, okay? That is the stuff, you guys. So I'm not gonna use that today to curl, to finger curls. I'm gonna use my dip, my contour cream to finger curls my hair. But if you want to see that, let me know with the finger curls, because I already did the sponge ones with that one. But like I said, we are going to be doing this one and also this one, you guys. This two is made with organic shea butter. You can't get it better than this. These are $1 a piece, so $2. So you guys, so the consistency of this is like so. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you some demo, and then I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'm gonna come back when it's time for me to finger coil my hair, and we're gonna do so. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. You guys not like to use a lot because it's been a week since I washed my hair. You guys, wash my hair, and you guys, since I have my hair out like this and cut my hair and doing this, I'll be washing my hair every week, and I've seen a lot of growth doing so. Then when I was just having weave on my hair and going like a month, and I'm washing my hair, and my hair feels so good, guys, so good. So when I do, yeah, it does, and I love it. And winter time is coming, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing a lot of wigs, sometimes not. I'm just gonna let it do what it do and put some scarf or something. But during the winter time we switch up during that time. So you guys, yeah, oh, it feels good. And my hair is really not dirty, you guys. Like the product that I use, they're not flaking or anything, but being though it's been a week since I washed my hair, so definitely, as you can see, it's clean white, but I gotta shampoo it, I gotta deep condition it if I want them curls to pop. You know, I'm not saying it's not gonna pop on a co-wash hair or whatsoever, but I just like to wash it and give it like a good deep conditioner. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So all right guys, so I'm gonna come back and show you, you know, how my hair turned out after I washed this and I deep conditioner this and stuff like that. I got dishes to wash, I got house chores to do, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to get this thing going. Okay guys, we're gonna be lit, we're gonna get done, we're gonna do this, we're gonna show you outfit of the day, you guys. We're gonna do all of that, okay? We're gonna do all of that. With it. Oh, by the way, before I get off, thank you guys for almost 3,500 subscribers, you guys. Yes, 3,500 subscribers. Okay, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Okay, I never knew this channel would get to this point. You guys knew, if you've been on this channel, you used to me by now. So I'm used to you by now, even though you probably on my channel, don't comment, but watch my videos. I still love you though. I still love you. Okay, we're friends from distance. Okay guys, these are press-ons that I did, you guys. Yes, that I did. You like them? They're cute. It's been over a week now since I got them on. Put them on. So alright guys, so let me go in and do them, and I'll come back because you don't want to make this video long. Okay you guys, so I am back from washing my hair and deep conditioning my hair with those two products that I showed you earlier. And you guys, my hair feels so good, you know. So now we are coming to do the finger coils now, you guys. So this is what we're going to be doing. Look at your girl. Look at your girl here. Alright, so you guys already know I use this. You want to use generous amount. I'm going to use another one. For us that have colored hair, you got to constantly moisture your hair. If not, it will get dry real quick. Yeah. So I try to make sure I give it a good moisturizing before I do anything with my hair. So I'm gonna use my leave-in conditioner. I told you guys I'm gonna use my Cantu leave-in conditioner and also my curling cream today. I'm gonna be using this. I have another one upstairs, but that one comes in a long bottle, so we're gonna be using that today. And then after that, I usually use spritz to hold my curls up, you guys. So I'm using my leave-in conditioner now. This product smells so good. It doesn't give me any buildup, no flaking, no nothing, you guys. No nothing. Look at that. The curls already popped. Just like that. Okay? Just like that. So now what we're going to be doing is just to finger curl our hair. I have a fan in front of me, so hopefully it won't make my hair dry faster, but I needed a fan to, let me start with the back. So I don't have a mirror, you guys. So you're gonna get what you get. So you guys, this is what I'm going to be doing. So I'll show you just on the side. Okay, you guys, so I am all done with my curls. Only have a little bit here to do, and that's about it. So I will spray my curls and let it air dry, and then I will come back when I'm all done. And yeah, so you guys, I'm loving my curls, my hair, my texture, everything. So yeah, I'm loving right now. So now what I'm going to do is to spritz my hair and let it hair dry. You don't want to do too much, just a little bit, and let it air dry. So you guys, let me show you how everything look. Okay, so I'm gonna get cleaned up and everything else, so I'll come back when I'm all dressed. Okay, here you guys, so I am all done with this hair. As you can see, it's almost dry, and you know, I'm about to step out and everything. So yeah, so let me turn around. Okay, so this is my finger coils that I did today. I hope you like it. And this is my outfit, you guys, that I'm wearing today to go mind my business. Okay guys, so let me show you. So this is a dress that I put a shirt on top of, and yeah, so I put the shirt, and I think you guys can remember when I did the haul. So I put the shirt to make it look more fashionable, and then I have my slippers. Let me see if I can go. So that's my slippers right there that I got on, and minding my business. So I got this from Shein, you guys. So yeah, so this is my outfit of the day, minding my business like I did, and make your dress to look cute, even though the weather will be changing soon and stuff. So alright guys, so I will see you guys. Yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Let me know if you like stuff like this that I just did, like did my hair, you know, come back and share. Let me know that in the comment section. Okay guys, bye.